Hello everyone, welcome back to John Builds. In this issue I'm working on a cabin modification. I got up to the stage where obviously I'm ready fitting the cabins. Obviously I wasn't happy how it would look. This first picture is a rough idea obviously how the cabins would look if I built them by instructions. It's only roughed up, I've not sanded off the edges, but that's pretty much a first indication of how it would have looked. Let's see. The next one is my first attempt to a modification using wood. It would have been better, big improvement on the first one, but I still wasn't happy with it. Obviously, just the wood's too large a scale, so you can't really do anything too fine. So I ordered some different grades of styrene plastic, and obviously I've had that come last couple of days. So this morning I've been working on a number 3, and this is my first attempt of the cabins, obviously out of wooden styrene. It's not perfect, but I think it's a massive improvement on how it would have looked if we built it to the instructions. Yeah, a little bit poor on this part. So I'm going to carry on, and I'll make another video when I've finished them all off. Thanks for looking. This is how I'm working out the cabins modification. I'm just using the old template that you got with the instructions. And all I'm doing is just modifying it, just using plastic styrene. Just obviously this is just 1mm being cut to 2mm lengths. So I'm getting 1mm, just cut it obviously 6x3. Just filling in the obviously the center column. And obviously when I get to this one here, this is obviously which we're going to use to make up like the molded column. That's just a 3mm by 1.5mm styrene. This just adds a little bit of height, makes it a little bit bigger. And obviously all I'm doing is just obviously 2mm and a 6x2. And obviously then I'll just trim the tops off. And that's pretty much my process. I've just finished the starboard side of the cabins. Just needs painting up now. And I'm working on to the port side. I'm just dry fitting it into the model Victory. See how it fits, see if everything lines up. And I think it looks really good. It's a massive improvement of how it would have looked. So I'm really happy with it. Just needs painting. I'm just mixing my top coat paint. I'm using model air thinners and add multi paints. Just give them a good mix. It was still a bit too thick and it needed thinning down again. Just started to apply my finished coat, just using light passes. Just building up the layers. Angling it from top to bottom. Why they will just sit on the edges and miss all the detail. And that's the finished cabin, ready to be fitted to Victory. I decided to paint the bulwarks before I fitted the cabins. So here I'm just applying some masking tape as I'm just going to hand paint this. I like to leave a little bit of a overhang, so obviously mainly cover most of the deck and then a little bit overhang up the walls. Just using I've got a wood that's got a square edge, so I can push it into the deck and also push it into the bulwarks. Will leave me a nice tight sharp edge that I can cut off. Now I'm just using my scalpel craft knife to trim back the masking tape. Just do a couple of light passes. Just using my needle nose tweezers just to peel off the excess masking tape ready to paint. Just using Admiralty paints. Just using a yellow ochre. It's not thinned down, it's just straight out the pot. Just using number 2 brush and just using light brush strokes. Always trying to go in the same direction. I'm left-handed, so I tend to work right to left. Right, I painted it. It's back to using my craft knife just to score the edge again where the paint dries between the masking tape and the bulwarks. Because otherwise when you peel the masking tape sometimes you can peel some paint off as well, so it's best just to get a score again and then just whip it off. Right, in this picture I've fitted the cabins. It was just a case of assembling the 3 parts together, the port, the starboard and the back panel of the stern. I hope you all agree that I think it looks 100 times better than the parts that came with the kit. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more HMS Victory builds in the future.